Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. So make sure to watch this video till the end. And let's begin. First things first, open up your Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, go over to your profile icon on the top right corner and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, and now select Help and Support, and then open up the Report Problem section. Make sure to add a report and then type in something like this. After you have described the issue you are facing, submit the report and wait for a few minutes. Then open up the marketplace and you will be able to access it. If the problem isn't solved, you can try checking your internet connection, as it may due to poor internet connectivity, and hopefully your problem will be solved. And that's how you can fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.